Miss Lyla is too confident. She's head of the boat. Lyla, wave
Lyla.
mommy bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Lyla.
What do you see there? Do you see something?
Put the shelves on that.
What do you see? Yeah? You gotta be careful. Can you sit? You wanna sit?
Sit near the front.
Sit, please. No, Lyla, you gotta sit.
You see that red stuff there? That is going to make a left turn inside that.
Lyla, can you wave? Hey, can you turn to mommy and say hi?
Bye.
Look
Bye.
at mommy one time. Look at mommy there.
Over
oh,
here.
You bird the other side, Lyla.